On behalf of VMware, Imprez, and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around how to detect innovation theater and fine-tune your outcome delivery with VMware Tanzu Labs, where Mikey McCormick, Senior Manager at VMware, and Aaron Swain, Director of Digital Transformation at VMware, will discuss how VMware Tanzu can help your organization.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm John Podolak. I run the defense sector for Impress Technology. And on behalf of Impress, in partnership with VMware and Carahsoft, we're excited to bring you this VMware Tanzu training today. I want to talk briefly about Impress before we get started. Impress is a technology solution provider. Our motto is mission first. We've got a strong history with over 20 years of experience serving government customers just like you. We've got a top secret facility clearance, and the bottom line is we leverage our IT experience and the relationships we have in the industry to deliver you technology solutions that enable your mission success. I like to think we've got some of the best people in the business. We're weighted heavily with former mission experts and industry veterans. So a partnership for Impress, in addition to our strong understanding of the federal markets, we're also a small business and a HUB Zone certified small business, which is very attractive to many contracting officers. We've got our own staff of IT professional services. We've got a strong team that does contracts and proposal development, and we've got technologists that specialize in data center hardware, software, and services solutions. And additionally, we've got the financial stability that when it comes time to make a purchase, we've got the credit and background to execute, not just on small deals, but the large ones as well. So just a quick peek about who we are. I mentioned I run the defense team. This is my partner, Sybil Parker, and her team that services the civilian side of the federal business. Just wanted to take a look at their smiling faces, and I'll transition over to my defense team. And so you get a look of the size and scale of who we are. We've got like 16 field sales executives supported by 11 on the inside, plus overlays, plus engineers. One thing you'll see on this, I mentioned mission veterans of this DoD team. We've got 10 guys that served, and you can see the branch of service that served by them. So again, we value people that understand the mission, and we bring together the technology and the partnerships that will help enable your mission success.